Buongiorno from one of our cafes in Sicily.
Esther's back. You know what that means. I've been running around like a chicken with its head cut off, that's for sure.
We're gonna take you shopping with us to see what's going on for Christmas, then some funky things that we found in one of the shops. Then Alfred's gonna try a hot chocolate that's gonna, wow, it's gonna make you envious. And what else?
That hot chocolate is going to give you a plenary indulgence. That's how biblical it was, believe me.
All right, let's go shop. Oh, these are so cute. But a few years ago, Alfred bought me one with a white outfit. Maybe it's time for a new one. Oh, look at these guys, too. In a one-horse race. Well, this is lovely. This is a little bit of a new thing over here. Al didn't have this last year. One of the most remarkable things, Al, for me, is to see all these beautiful nativity scenes, because the characters are what really makes them, right? Here's a pizza maker and the bread maker. These guys are farmers. There's a guy cutting wood.
Bread maker.
There's another bread maker.
Man, I tell you, if they had these things in the United States, they would sell. Uh-oh, we're coming into Santa Land now.
Santa Land, Santa Land. Oh, look at these Santas.
Or Babbo Natale, as they say.
How about this for an outfit?
I dare you.
Oh, it's for the Donna. Look at that. Yeah, no, a little bit too short for me.
That guy's cute.
Where's the guy with the Sicilian flag?
We'll find him, don't worry. Oh.
Now, this is a fun nativity scene. Look at the soccer player over there. Someone washing the baby. Sheep herder. This guy's mining or something. Great, great, great characters. And there's always a pizza or bread maker in every nativity scene, of course. This bowl would be perfecto, Alfred, for your cereal or my soup. Now look at that. Everything is in English. A buy one. Oh, here we go. Natale. Regali. Here's some Sicilian for you. A Natale un selfie con te è speciale. Where are we going now?
We're going to fire Gira Sinistra. We're going to go to the left here and we're going to walk down.
Gira Sinistra. Look at you showing off your Italiano. Good for you. Let's see what's up here. Everything's festooned in white. Now, where the heck would you put this big deer for 419 euro? Polar bear. Okay. Look at all the animals. Cute. Very festive. Something for everyone out.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Let's see, look at the prices. They're between 5 and 69 euro. That guy right there, that blue guy is the 69. So festive. This is where we come for, you know, everyday household items in bulk. Now, some of you guys have seen me with my mug with the testa di mare. Unfortunately, they are out. But I will be on the lookout because some of you asked for it. So there you go. Cleaning supplies, literally just about anything you can imagine you can find in this shop. Everything for the house. Lobster
Yeah.
Americano.
That's
Lobster Americano.
500 grams.
350 grams.
You know something? In the United States, that would be illegal. You would have to throw that back in.
Yep. And
350 grams is nothing.
I have no idea where it's from. It's
Usually
frozen.
from Canada.
No, this one says Americano. So
Yeah,
I don't know.
Americano.
I like the one we have at home.
The only good that these things are for really is to make
this.
the
I broke
sauce.
it, Val.
Scofflaw. Now this is something you don't see every day at the Marchetto, huh, Esther?
Oh my gosh.
Prosciutto.
A piece of prosciutto that's 6.5 kilos. That's about 13 pounds. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's dried and matured. I wonder if it comes with this wooden thing. Looks good though, huh? That's a lot of salt. Oh, it does say stand and knife included. We're here at one of our favorites, LIDL, however you want to call it, because they have all the cool new things out right now. So we're,
Esther,
oh, come, wait.
I want to ask you something. Would that fit in a big piece of Italian bread?
Sure will.
All right, this is one of my go-to every day. This is hummus, all right? This one is has curry in it.
No,
Yeah.
cocoa, curry,
Yeah.
and sesame.
Right. This one over here, these guys over here with the light brown over there in the second row, that's the classic.
No, this is the one with the pomodoro.
Oh, that's the one with the pomodoro. And guess what?
Wait a sec. This one is the
one?
carrot and ginger. These are
Carrots and ginger. And look at the price. €1 and 49 cents. That's about
this
a
is
buck and a half or so.
beets,
Beets.
red beets.
How about that?
Now,
huh?
this is the spicy.
And the
picante.
spicy. So
Now, we're to classic.
the classic is right over there with
Where?
the beans on it. Isn't that Classica?
No, that's
Oh,
picante.
maybe it's not here. Anyways, this stuff is on our list every week. Now, here we have an English company making American-style pizza.
Like, are you kidding me?
Pepperoni and
They
salami.
don't even call it pepperoni here.
Well-
You get a pepperoni here, you get a piece of red pepper on it. My gosh.
And that's made in England.
Yeah, this company, the McKennedy.
Oh, how about
they
this
do
one
a
over
lot
here?
of stuff.
No, which one? Loaded pizza. It's loaded with cheese.
How
Esther.
about this? American style chicken strips. Please.
How about that? Pancakes. English-made pancakes for the American market. The same company. And I've actually had these. They're pretty good. You just toast them up for 2 minutes. Not bad. How much are they? €1.99 for 4. All right. You see sushi here. You see the sushi? Sushi. Esther, what did Sushi A say to Sushi B? What's up?
The interesting and fun thing about LIDL is that they have foods from all over the world, different weeks. So from December 2, it's all American style stuff, even crunchy and smooth peanut butter. And then this is even more interesting, that you can go to the United States and do New Year's Eve in New York from $2,939 per person for 6 nights. That's euros. So there Amore, I saw your reaction.
Oh my God.
I thought we got to record this.
Look at how thick this is. This is, without a doubt, the most delicious hot chocolate in the history of hot chocolates, Esther.
Well, this is the way they serve them here.
I was jonesing for one today. I never have this, but
You know,
this
the
is not a
difference.
Swiss Miss. I'll
No.
put it that way.
The difference between this chocolate and the chocolates we have in the United States, as you can say,
my
it's
God.
much thicker. And by the way, I had them put a little bit more water than normal. So tell me, what's this? It looks like pudding, Al.
It's thick. It's milk chocolate. Some special concoction of milk in there. Look how thick it is.
They had
Esther.
different flavors. They had hazelnut. They had white chocolate.
Yeah.
But
Oh, and you know something? I'm going to drink this a couple more times.
Good.
Did you know that chocolate is better for you than chocolate's good for you?
Oh, dark chocolate is very good.
Did you
very
see my?
healthy.
Did you see my? Look at my spoon.
Buon
This is the best
appetito.
I've ever had, E-Bunny.
Enjoy. Sì, tu come ti chiami?
Io sono Orazio.
Orazio.
Sono cose artigianali fatte in legno.
He made this. Look at this with the Jack Daniels, the map of Sicily, e questa Pietro da dove?
Queste viene dal nostro mare, di Mascali.
The Mascali, vicino. Beautiful. And you know him, Fabiano, you've seen him. I want to show, Fabio è un grande, una persona
Eccezionale.
Sì. Mi fai sapere, questa è 3.000 euro.
3.000 euro, sì.
3,000 euros for this grain maie.
È una quintessenza, è un cognac. Sono delle riserve particolari. Chi beve questi prodotti sa di cosa stiamo parlando.
He said you have to have this with a cigar e dark chocolate. Cioccolato fondente.
È un buon sigaro da mettere dopo.
Buono. E quanto costa questa?
Questa 70.
70 euros for this. This is pretty cool, you guys. What do you think? I may buy this for Alfred. And here he's putting together all the Christmas stuff because you remember him. He does all the Christmas bags with all types of Sicilian products. Buonissimi.
È stato un piacere.
Piacere nostro.
Vieni, ti faccio vedere un'altra lampada sempre fatta da
Okay, oh, let's see the other lamp that he made. Ciao!
Quella è un'altra lampada con un'altra tipologia, ispirato quella là alla location.
That's really cool.
Col nome mio proprio personale, Fabio.
That was a gift for him. So there you go. And now we're going to have a little bit of coffee. Ciao!
Ciao, ciao!
Grazie! Ciao. This guy has the best collection of liquors in the area, for sure. Really high-end, but also Campari, champagnes, Proseccos, and there's the baskets, which will be filled with all these goodies. Now this is what you call a presepe, a nativity scene with all types of figures doing everyday Sicilian work, even a dancer over there. Look how beautiful. The nativity scene is in our fruit and vegetable place at Francesca and Graziella. So you got all the workers, the farmers, people weaving, the basket making, the beautiful fruit and vegetable vendors, the wine makers, and in the center is beautiful Mary, Joseph, and Jesus. And where are we? We're right here in this shop. She's got the panettone out. There's Graziella over there. Ciao. Ciao. Here's the pistachio one. There's Babbo Natale. And now I'm going to take you over here. This is the back kitchen. You're not allowed in here. This is a special for Esther Vida. And then here's the front. And if you've come on our tours, you've come in here and seen the beautiful display of fruits and vegetables. And this is where we get our vino. Actual barrels from Catena Previtera. If you come here, there's even some soaps and extra things. You know what this is? The scacciata, which, by the way, we're going to have for our Christmas party. There you go. It's early December, and this is the scene in many fruit and vegetable places that are starting to put up the Christmas holiday. Ciao. Ciao. Today is Friday, so Alfred wants to have a meatless pizza. And a beautiful slice of scacciata niente. That's with the cabefiore or broccoli? No, that's a broccoli. That's the broccoli one. She also has the cauliflower. And I gotta tell you, this is the most delicious new snack. Questo è con formaggio.
Sì. Farinetta al formaggio, arancinetti, cornettini partiti.
There's a little arancinis and just always something so good. But this is why we really come here, to get the bread. But then, you know, our eyes are bigger than our stomachs, or how does that saying go?
E la margherita la metti qua nel centro.
There's the fresh one.
Sì. Perché una prima di sistemare deve vedere come le possiamo mettere.
I think she's training a new person. Grazie.
Grazie a te.
All right, that was part A of our shopping. We'll have part B next week because there's a lot of great Christmas stuff to show you.
So the first stop that we went to was LIDL, which is a great German supermarket, right, Esther?
Yep, and it has tons of international stuff and really stuff that you don't see in regular supermarkets.
Did you see the size of that prosciutto? That thing was, what, 6.5 kilos, 13 pounds? You don't see that at like a regular shopping place.
I think that's special for Christmas. You'll see a lot of things that you won't see otherwise.
You know what I did see, though, I was amazed at? They had a skid, a whole pallet full of maple syrup. But upon closer, you know, I took the bottle and I looked at it. There was 50% maple syrup and 50% fructose
Well, guess what?
syrup.
Good news.
Down.
Guess what? Good news. We have our buddies bringing you some maple syrup, so don't worry about it.
And the other thing was the peanut butter. I saw a whole skid of peanut butter,
they've
too.
had peanut butter here forever, but I must say, I've never seen the crunchy type. It's always been smooth. So
American-style peanut pizza made by a British company. Can you imagine how bad that pizza is in Sicily? Do you think anybody in their mind is going to eat that?
Just the whole idea of frozen pizza is like, what? There's a pizzeria at every corner.
And how about that lobster? 350 grams. That you would have to throw that back in the United States. Lobstermen couldn't get one that small.
Anyway, it's
only
always
good for the Fra Diavolo, the lobster, the sauce, just to get flavoring. But it's a good store, though. I like it.
For sure, we're going to be continuing to bring you scenes from this magical island as they get ready for Christmas, Natale.
Lidl, I like. It's a good store. They have a different variety each and every week. They have the best soft pretzels. And guess what I found, Esther? I don't know if I took it. I found chocolate-covered gingerbread.
Now that was a new item.
So I'm going to taste one. If they're any good, I want to go back and get. I've never seen gingerbread here.
Before I left, they had the Japanese-style stuff.
The Japanese stuff was terrific.
I still have teriyaki left. That's a good thing.
Good store.
All right,
Lidl.
Listen to me, my friends. See the hat Alfred is wearing, and we have many other hats and aprons, and what else? We have
new colors. We have new colors too.
We have that beautiful stocking and all types of little tote bags and sweatshirts in our shop, which is right below. If you hit the shop, it's right there.
You know, she designed one for me. I was so happy. It just says Sicily on it for men in 2 colors. And you wear that with a pair of dungarees and a sport jacket. That's like the quintessential look in Sicily. So guess what? I'm going to be styling all year.
You're always styling.
No, they're great.
Look
Are you kidding me? I'm
with
so
your
happy.
Patriots and, you know, your You, Me, and Sicily hat. Always styling, Bunster.
Hey, what are you going to do?
All right, then we have another deal for you that if you come on our end of June, early July, June 26th to July 6th, I believe, are the dates, 2025, tour, you get $300 off because we're keeping for you the 2024 prices if you sign up by the magic date. Let's make it January 1st.
January. That's a great tour in terms of wanting to go to the beach, go swimming, go see all the hot tourist spots on the East Coast.
Yep, we have the Sicilian Cart Museum.
We have the Cart Museum.
Eating at a gorgeous villa. So that's it.
There's a lot of good stuff to do. all the other ones are just about sold out. Am I correct in saying that?
Yes.
All the other ones are sold
I'm
out.
so looking forward to it. I got to tell you, the weather in beginning of December, I am wearing a jacket and a sweater, but it is warm. It is in the low 60s. Great time to be here. Oh my gosh. And after all the torrential rains that we had in November, wow, it's so green and lush all over the place.
Too green. Now it's too green because the grass is growing up high, and then the next thing we have to worry about is what? Fires.
I know you got to think. I can see the rubber burning. I'm back. Listen, what a wonderful time I had going back to the United States. A shout out to my classmates, the class of ... of Andover High.
I want to give a shout out to the Tomato Man of New England, Peter Schipoletti, and his beautiful wife Jeannie. I'm dying to see them here. One of these days they gotta come.
They should come here, for sure.
Jeannie sent me a picture of a hat.
Yeah.
That I have hat envy. I want to get it, Jeannie.
Which one? The last thing you need are more hats.
Oh, I love hats.
Yes, we know you love. You're very good with your hats. Let me tell you.
You know what I want from Esther? I want a pork pie hat, short-brimmed hat, in the style of Breaking Bad. That's what I want. And I will wear it, too. I love that program.
Listen, next week we're going to try to go to downtown Catania to see the Christmas market.
Yep, it's about time.
It's about time, and that's just about it.
How about a Christmas tree? Why don't we put in our Christmas tree up?
By the time they're watching this, the Christmas tree will be up. Thank you so much for watching. Here we are in our little cafe.
A beautiful little cafe.
Having a cafe. Ching ching to you guys. Arrivederci, ti voglio bene. Love you guys.
Grazie e benedico.
Ciao.
Ciao.